Hello, this is a demonstration of our desktop application, Mirarobo. Now, the purpose of this video is to showcase some new functionality in our app, which requires 2 new Google OAuth2 scopes. Now, our app has already been verified for the gmail.modify scope, and our aim is to be verified for 2 more scopes, for Google Drive and Google Spreadsheets. Now, Mirarobo is a desktop automation app, and we've added functionality to automate Google Spreadsheets on behalf of our users using their Google accounts. And since this requires or involves creating spreadsheets on their Google Drive and editing the spreadsheets, we require both the Drive scope and the Spreadsheet scope. So in this video, we'll showcase the reason why those scopes are necessary by creating spreadsheets, editing spreadsheets, and finally deleting spreadsheets within our app. So I'd like to begin with the authentication flow. To start off, we navigate to the main menu in the upper right-hand corner here, and the user will click OAuth2 Management. And the user will choose which service they want to automate with their app and type in their Google account and click this Authorize App button. Now this would boot up the browser and prompt the user to log in. Now here is the client ID in the URL. And the user can proceed to log in. Now, I'm going to switch this to English real quick. Right? Now the user can check that these are the permissions that they want to grant to our app, in this case, concerning Google Drive and Spreadsheets, and click Continue. And with that, the authentication flow has been completed, and the user is ready to automate Google Spreadsheets using our app. So next, we will demonstrate how our app actually uses those permissions to do things for our users. And we will start by creating a new automation task by clicking New, and we will call it Demo Spreadsheet Task. And click this Edit button to start editing this task. So we will demonstrate creating a new spreadsheet on their Google Drive. To do that, the user will click this Create Spreadsheets command and specify which account they will use, and also specify the name of the spreadsheet that they want to create. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll call this Demo Spreadsheet. And the Spreadsheet ID is the name of the variable that we want to contain or reference this created spreadsheet in. So we are OK with Spreadsheet, so we'll just click OK. And we will press Run. Now, when we press Run, our application will do what it's told to do, namely creating a spreadsheet within the specified account, Google Drive. So we will check that this actually happened by navigating to drive.google.com. And here we can see that this new spreadsheet called Demo Spreadsheet has indeed been created. Right? Here's the new spreadsheet. Now that was the demonstration for creating spreadsheets. Now we will demonstrate editing the spreadsheet from within our application. What we will do is set a cell value within the spreadsheet that we have just created. And we will do that by using the set cell value command here. Here, first what we have to do is load the spreadsheet that we have just created. It will be a spreadsheet from this account, and we will specify the URL of the spreadsheet that we want to edit. So we'll copy and paste the URL here, and we will reference it with this spreadsheet ID called Spreadsheet. Now in the set cell value command, we will use this spreadsheet ID and specify the worksheet name I'm going to rename this to Sheet 1. And in the A1 cell, I will set the cell value to new value and click OK. So if I run this application will load the spreadsheet from this URL and set the cell value at A1 in this sheet new value with a new value called a new value. So I'll click run. Right. That was a little fast, but here we can verify that in the spreadsheet, in the sheet 1, in the A1 cell, this new value has been set. Right. So that was a demonstration for setting cell values from within our app. Finally, we will demonstrate deleting a spreadsheet from within our app. So to do that, the user will click Delete, Spreadsheet, specify the account, and we will use the same URL for the same spreadsheet, because this is the spreadsheet we want to delete. Right? So if I click Run, this spreadsheet that we have created earlier should now be deleted. So if I refresh the Drive page, we can see that the spreadsheet that we have deleted earlier, or created earlier, has indeed been deleted. Right? So this concludes our demonstration for how our application uses the new scopes, Google Drive and Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching.